In order to have a combination of shaded and non-shaded parts displayed in an assembly drawing view, it's necessary to first create a display state. Here I have an assembly, and a drawing with two views of the assembly. The section view contains a component that's not hatched. What I'd like to do is further highlight this component by displaying it in shaded mode. To accomplish this, I'll return to the assembly and add a new display state. This is done through the Configuration Manager. I'll right-click the Display State folder and select Add Display State. I'll call the new state Shaded. Next, I'll activate the Feature Manager tree and expand the display pane. What I'd like to do is specifically define the display mode of each component in the assembly. Every component, with the exception of the worm gear shaft, is to be displayed in Hidden Lines Removed. I'll Shift-select all components, then Control-select the worm gear shaft to deselect it. Keeping the Control key pressed, I'll click the display mode icon for one of the selected components and click Hidden Lines Removed. At this point, I'll bring up the drawing. I'll select the section view, and in the Property Manager, I'll select the Shaded Display State. Notice that although the display state has been selected, the drawing view itself is set to Hidden Lines Removed. In order for the display state to take effect, I'll change the display mode to Shaded with Edges.